Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SRNE. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Quite the eventful day today, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume and you can see well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one going forward. So let's map out some levels of support and then we can talk levels of resistance. First dynamic from a support side of things is, of course, yes, it was a brutal day. That first 30 minutes, a big flush to the downside. And then a little bit more downside momentum. But after that, the price has started to just kind of grind itself back higher. Nothing fancy, nothing explosive, but just slow and methodically working its way back upwards. So to me, the key level of support, an initial level of support to watch next week is going to be right here at that green line. Hard to assign a numerical value to it because that line is changing over time. But yeah, right around, we'll call it $3.30 or so. As long as the price can stay above there, then that implies that, hey, this little miniature trend is still in play. Now, in the event the price breaks to the downside of that trend line, while there is no such thing as a guarantee, at that point, it would not be shocking at all to see the price at least go back down to $3.25. But as of right now, the price is holding above that trend line. So that's definitely some nice steps here in the right direction. Of course, still a lot more work needs to be done, but everything's got to start somewhere, right? And right now, the quote-unquote starting somewhere is being represented by that uptrending trend line. So again, let's see if the price can hold above there. If it can't, then yeah, I'd look for the price to at least go down to the $3.25 mark. What about areas of resistance moving forward? Initial level of resistance to keep an eye on, going to be the top portion of this little channel that formed at $3, and we'll call it 45 cents. If the price can push up through $3.45, then there's definitely some space for it to run, as the next level is not until that former area of support right up there around $3.62. So yes, today a very rough day, but like I said, some interesting price movement, a nice little interesting pattern here going forward, and we'll see if this is some sort of leading indicator of a bottom that's forming or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.